Okay, Auntie Babies and Boogie Woogies. This was one of my subscribers was trying to tell me this morning what's going on out there in New York. I'll let you hear it for yourself. I didn't know this was going on. Let's pray for the New Yorkers. And I see why she say they breaking into the stores and stuff. Because I don't watch the news. I try to stay away from the news because it's so depressing. But this is what's going on, y'all.
I called it a kitchen sink storm because it is throwing everything at us but the kitchen sink. We've had ice, flooding, snow, freezing temperatures, and everything that Mother Nature could wallop at us this weekend. I declared a state of emergency that took effect at 6 a.m. this morning. Freeze and the ice roads are not going anywhere soon. This is going to be an event that's going to continue through the weekend, and the wind chills are going to be absolutely bone chilling. That's why this is a life-threatening event. With over 100,000 power outages as we speak, they're trying to be restored as quickly as possible. That's why we brought in utility crews from all over other parts of the country to beef up our forces. We were 7,000 utility crews out there to put the power back on, but you can understand, a limb comes down, takes the power lines on the ground. It is dangerous even for the utility crews to approach that in blinding snowstorms, so it's not going to be immediate.
Okay, Auntie Babies and Boogie Woogies, that's what she was trying to tell me this morning. They having a snowstorm out there in New York and people is breaking in stores and everything. Let's continue